So this is basically like just a simple storage tool for the plier set that I have. I realized that I have this miniature plier set that I haven't really found a way to mount onto the French cleat system that we were busy with early on during the year. Well, last year I guess now. But yeah, so I took an offcut from some of the pieces that I used for the French cleat wall storage system, and what we're doing here is just drilling some drywall screws in there and using them to anchor the miniature pliers. As you can see, this is a pretty simple and quick operation. And I think that's the beauty with the French cleat system, right? Once everything is in a 45 degree, that piece of wood becomes a storage tool, which is amazing. Yeah, as you can see here, it's fitting pretty well, sits flush, and all the pliers fit perfectly. Just a little side project I had.